Hey Discord, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what these are some rechargeable C batteries. If you can see, they mention it right here as well, and this is from the Amazon Basic brand. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks like inside. So it looks like they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product. And then right underneath that, you can see the actual product right here. So we got the one that comes with a 4-pack, and these all C batteries that are rechargeable. Alright, so when we take it out, you can definitely see the part right here. They do have a very nice design on here with the Amazon Basic logo on there, and it's all nicely wrapped. So let's open it up first. So once we take out all 4 of them, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they label plus and minus on each side, so that way you guys know which is which. But like I mentioned, these are rechargeable, and all these batteries right here, each one of them are 5,000 mAh. So definitely give you guys a good amount of charge on here that lasts a really long time. So for this test, I'm going to use this card shuffler right here that requires C batteries to actually test it out for you guys to show you guys whether or not the actual batteries works. So basically want to open up the bottom part right here first. Alright, so once we open up, you can definitely see how she requires 2 batteries right here. So 2 C batteries right here and 2 on the other side as well. So let's put it in first. Alright, so we got one side. Let's do the same thing for this side as well. Close it back up. Alright, so we got the battery in. If I push this part down, you can see how it does work. But let's put some card on here first and do the actual test. So right here I have a deck of cards. I want to split it in half. And basically I want to put it right on top. Just like that. And I want to slide this part inside right here. So once we got everything all set up, we could basically start using it. So I push this down. You guys can see that definitely does work. So definitely when you guys use the rechargeable C batteries, it definitely does work. It should last you guys a really long time, like I mentioned, since each one of the batteries are 5,000 mAh and they're all rechargeable. So if you guys plan on using this battery for a really long time, like maybe 3 years or 4 years, you should be fine. As long as you guys are charging correctly using the correct charger to actually recharge the battery, then you should be fine. Alright, so see, actually plugging all 4 of these batteries here, you can definitely see that it is rechargeable. We are using our EBL battery charger here, if you can see. So we do have to fully charge it because the battery is pretty low on here. And really the fact of how this battery charger here show you guys the battery life on here, so that way you guys know whether or not the product is fully charged or not. But definitely see the batteries are rechargeable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these batteries, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality C batteries that are rechargeable, that's very similar to this one right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.